Good morning, everyone. So, our lesson for today is lesson 30.2, Do's and Don'ts of Using the Internet. Good is Before we dig into our main topic, so I have here quote by Spider said, "With a great power comes with a great responsibility." So, the internet gives us great power to connect and create, so we must use it wisely and ethically. That is our great responsibility of using internet is before we so next is what is those and don'ts of using the internet. So refers to the guideline or best practices that help users navigate the online world safety, responsibility, and respectfully. They include behaviors to follow, those such as using secure connection, protecting personal information, and being kind online, as well as actions to avoid don'ts like oversharing personal details, engaging in offensive behavior, downloading from unknown sources, or falling for scams. So these rules aims to ma- maximize the benefits of the internet while minimizing risk such as cyberbullying, identity theft, malware, and infections and privacy violations. So these rules help us to stay safe, avoid scams, and maintain positive online presence. So let's proceed to so next the 10 commandments of computer ethics. So first is do not use a computer to harm other people. So avoid cyberbullying, hacking, or spreading harmful content using technology responsibility. So i-avoid jud ta na wa to kanang to have a safe in and online. So dapat at i-avoid ta na dili ta kita ang mohimo ana. So if naa man tay mga kaila so atong i-encourage nga dili na na buhaton. Then next is do not interfere with other people's computer work. So don't disrupt or damage other digital work or system. So ato nang i-avoid sad para dili ta makaharm sa uban. Then third is do not snoop around in other people's computer files. So respect others' privacy, never access message messages or data without permissions. Then the next is the fourth one is do not use a computer to steal. So don't use computers to commit theft such as stealing money, data, or digital content. Then fifth is do not use a computer to be false witness. So avoid spreading lies or per fake information through online. Then dapat i-avoid jud ta na. So if naman tay kanang nahibaw-an nga fake so dili na nato na i-share para dili sad makuha na sa lain kay fake man but if true ang information so mao na natay kanang buhaton nga like atong i-share kung tinuod but if false or fake so dapat dili na nato na i-share para dili na mabasahan sa uban. Then number 6 is do not copy or use property software for which you have not paid. So respect software ownership. So don't use created or unpaid software. So but if na kay permission or authorized niya, so pwede ka mo gamit but if wala, so i-avoid lang. Then next is next is next is do not use other people's computer resources without authorization or proper compensation. So don't use someone else's network, storage, or devices without their consent or permission. But if naa kay permission, so you can use it. Then number 8 is do not appropriate other people's intellectual output. So, if mogamit man ta, mohatag tag credit nila and avoid para maka-avoid tag plagiarism and copyright. So, ato dyan na silang i-acknowledge kay ato man gi-use ang ilang gipangbuhat. Then, sa number 9, so, do not think about the social so, kani is think about the social consequences of the program you are writing or the system you are designing. So, ato dyan i-consider how your digital creation affects others and society as whole. So, if unsa atong buhaton, so dapat ato song una-una ang effect ana sa society or sa other people kung makaharm ba or makatabang ba. But ang ato paninguhaon is dapat makatabang na sa laing tao o makatabang sa atong kaugalingon. So, next is last one is that dun so we always use a computer in a ways that ensure consideration and respect for your fellow humans. So, atong gamiton ang technology to help, not to harm. Then, be kind and be kind, respectful, and responsible online. So, dapat kana at module na atong pambuhaton nga kita is dapat natay mga respeto sa laing tao kay dili sa tanang naa sa social media is tinuod. So, nadyo'y mga fake. Then, dili na lang ta molabot-labot para nasa maka imong girespeto imong kaugalingon and nasa kay respeto sa uban. So, next is last one is that so the conclusion is res- responsible responsible internet use protects you and others and ethics guide good online citizenship. So, sa Ten Commandments is that dili man jud diha dayon mabuhat sa mga tao but as kita is natong panghunahon nga kanang ato tong masunod para responsible ta sa internet, pag-use sa internet, pag-use sa social media, and responsible internet use keeps you and other safe. So, kung responsible lang jud tanan, so safe ra jud ang mga tao using internet. So, thank you.